What's up guys, you guys dealing with this stretch belt on your WRX? You probably found the right video. Let's say you don't want to cut it, like some of us folks, and you don't want to replace a $30 belt for no reason. There is a little hack to get this belt off. All you need is a 22 millimeter socket and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so put that on the crank. We're gonna go clockwise always, never go counterclockwise, folks. Put the screwdriver under the belt and behind it like that. And then just turn it with tension. It'll slip off sometimes on you. But eventually it will come off, and you guys can reuse this. I'll show you guys another video on how to put the stretch belt back on. All right, Subaru WRX, stretch belt going back on. There's a tool right here, guys, linked in the description. It just contains a nut and a bracket, and then this tool down here goes in and loops around the belt just like that. And then you're gonna spin the crank, and that's gonna put your stretch belt on. All right, so it's 22 millimeter socket, and the belt will feel like it wants to snap. Just keep on going. Sometimes I like to turn it right here, it makes it a little bit easier. Then you can remove the tool. That's what the tool looks like. And then remove this 12 millimeter, and you have and then you have a stretch belt installed on your Subaru.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.